Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Polygon Matic, whose current price stands at the $0.7854 mark, and here on TradingView the market is up by 3.26%. And in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot waves and the Fibonacci's, and also the key areas of support and resistances. So if you're interested in such content, make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Polygon Matic from the all-time high has been seeing lower prices in this massive ABC correction, which has now taken us to around the $0.32 mark, and having done so, I believe it has done the minimum that we expected it to do in its ABC correction, and soon we might see a very nice pump to the upside in this Elliot wave structure, having a wave 5 taking us back to an all-time high. But before we see all that structure play out, we first need to see a first wave to the upside, which I have a target area here on the charts at around the $1.91 mark and the $1.61 mark, which is within this yellow target area, which I'm basing it on the Fibonacci's. And to get that target area, I just apply the fibs from that low down there to the all-time high. You can see my yellow target area lies between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.5, which is the minimum that I expect that first wave to the upside to do. And within a wave 1, we also expect to see fractal waves within a wave 1, and that is what is going to give me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the charts. So if I jump to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart you can see I have this fractal wave within a wave 1, which I expect once you see the formation of a wave 5 will be completing a higher Elliot wave count 1. And if I get a little bit into the details of this fractal wave, you can see after making our low at around the $0.32 mark, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside and made our high for that first wave to the upside. Then we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's we can get a target area for that wave 2 to the lower side. And to do that, I just connect the fibs from the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1. You can see our wave 2 retraced into the area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. We overshooted the fib level 0.382. Then we started to see a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of our wave 3. And for that third wave to the upside, I had a target area here on the charts within this yellow target at around the $0.93 mark. The price of Polygon Matic respected that. We overshooted that area a little bit and faced a key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark, and after making our high for that third wave, we saw a very nice retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 4 over here, and I had a target area here on the charts for that fourth wave. And to get that target area, I used the Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 of the wave 3 to the high of the wave 3, because a wave 4 is a retracement of the third wave, and you can see I had a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382, and Polygon Matic respected that. We came down into that target area and we are seeing a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 5. After getting into our target area for that fourth wave, we have seen a very nice bounce to the upside in the formation of a wave 5, and within a wave 5 I also expect to see fractal waves in formation within a wave 5, having that as the first wave. Then expect a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, then continue pushing high in the formation of a third wave, then retrace in a wave 4, then continue pushing high in a wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 5. But in this video I want to change a bit of scenarios over here, because I think this high that I have for the third wave is not the high for that third wave, and I need to restructure my Elliot wave count here on the charts, because as you can see here on the charts, I expected that we are in the formation of the third wave of this fractal wave to the upside, and I even had a target area here on the charts, basing it on the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting the low of the wave 1 to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the wave 2. I expected that we might continue pushing higher and get to around the $1.32 mark in the formation of a third wave to the upside. So I expected to continue unlocking higher prices and get to around the $1.32 mark, but that key movement here on the charts has now been invalidated, because you can see we lost a key area of support at around the $0.95 mark, and you have continued unlocking even lower prices, and that means the high for that third wave is not at around the $1.02 mark, and I need to change my Elliot wave structure over here. So this is the new Elliot wave structure, having this high that we made currently as the high of that third wave. Then I expect to see a retracement over here, then continue pushing higher in the formation of our wave 5. So over here we need to have a target area for that fourth wave to the lower side in the movement that we are in at the moment. So I need to use the Fibonacci's to get a new target area for this fourth wave to the lower side over here, and to do that I just use the Fibonacci's once more, connecting the low of that third wave down there to the new high that we have at the moment, and that gives me a target area between the fib level 0.618 and the fib level 0.382. so we can mark that target area here on the charts. That is our new target area for that fourth wave, and now we can remove this other target area over here and also this one target area for that fourth wave, and that is what gives me the key scenarios that I expect to play out here on the Polygon Matic chart. It's possible that now that we have gotten into that target area and we have found support at around the $0.78 mark, which is a key area of support, it's possible that we are going to find a reversal within that price range, and in case that happens, I would expect to see higher prices, have a retest of that key area of resistance, and then once we see a retest, then we can continue pushing higher, manage to break above the key area of resistance at around the $0.95 mark, continue pushing higher, manage to break above the high for that third wave, continue pushing higher, and then have a target area for that fifth wave to the upside. It is also possible that maybe we are not going to find our reversal within the $0.78 mark, and we are going to unlock even lower prices, and in case that happens, then I would expect us to maximize our yellow target area here on the charts by going to around the $0.65 mark, and in case that happens, then at around the $0.65 mark, I would expect a very nice reversal to the upside, manage to break above a key area of resistance at around the $0.78 mark, have a retest, and then continue pushing higher. And for us to invalidate our Elliot wave structure here on the charts, that can only happen if we continue unlocking lower prices and get back to around the $0.62 mark, and by so doing we'll be getting into the high of the first wave of that Elliot wave structure. And according to the Elliot waves guidelines, a wave 4 should not retrace into the high of the wave 1. So in case we get to around the $0.62 mark, this Elliot wave structure will be invalidated. So I hope we are going to find a reversal within this yellow target area, continue pushing high in the formation of our wave 5 to complete a higher Elliot wave count 1. Also taking a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 34 mark, and that means we have massive room for us to support any movement to the upside. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have not yet printed anything, but soon we are going to print a bullish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.